You know, the beautiful Jefferson Memorial in Washington, D.C.? Well, a while back, it was deteriorating way faster than any other monument in the area. I mean, the stone was literally just crumbling away. And at first, everyone was completely baffled as to why.
So you've got this famous monument falling apart right before their eyes. Naturally, the team's first instinct was to look at the immediate surface level issue. But instead of jumping straight to the most obvious conclusion, they used a technique that uncovered a totally unexpected root cause. And they did it just by asking why.
Let's break it down. Why was the monument deteriorating? Well, because they were cleaning it way too often with harsh chemicals. Okay, why clean it so often? Because of excessive bird droppings. Why so many birds? Because they were feeding on spiders. Why so many spiders? They were feasting on tiny insects called midges. And finally, why so many midges? Because the monument's lights were switched on right at dusk, which was drawing the bugs in like a magnet.
Now, look at the contrast in the solutions here. The symptom fix? Just buy stronger chemicals and hire more cleaning crews. That was super expensive, and ironically, it was the exact thing destroying the stone. But the root cause fix? Just turn the lights on 1 hour later. Seriously, delaying those lights by a single hour cost absolutely nothing, and the entire problem just vanished.
And that right there is the power of the 5 whys. Most teams just treat the symptom they can clearly see, right? They jump at the immediate fix and completely miss the real cause that's sitting just 5 questions deeper. If you can train yourself to ask why just one more time than feels comfortable, you almost always find that the actual problem is drastically simpler and, honestly, a lot cheaper to solve. So this brings up a bit of a challenge for you today. Think about it. What problem in your own work do you suspect you've been treating entirely at the symptom level? Are you out there buying expensive chemicals when you really just need to change the lighting schedule? The 5 whys isn't just some neat story. It's a highly effective methodology. In fact, it's one of the foundational problem-solving tools we teach in our ILSSI-accredited Lean Six Sigma certifications over at the LSS International Certification Academy. Make sure to follow us for more problem-solving explainers just like this one. And hey, before your next meeting, really ask yourself, are you fixing the root or are you just scrubbing the stone?